working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day of duty.
So y'all, we're out here at the park. My husband brought me over here where there are no ducks. There's one duck. There he is right there. He's eating all the food by himself. No duck. Really? And that's why I hope the turtle eats your bait off your line.
Oh boy, they're fighting. Fighting over that food, huh?
Yeah. They're very aggressive this morning.
Oh boy.
Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to start vacuuming and then sweeping and mopping the floor, but I need to boil my water first. I do like to boil water to mop my floors, and I'm also going to wipe down my countertops, but I need to make dishwater and add a little bleach because I do like to add bleach to my cleaning water that I'm going to be using to clean my countertops and things of that nature. And then I'm gonna come over here and get my living room together. So basically a Saturday reset, but I am gonna try to finish my coffee. I did get Dutch Bros this morning, and this is the cookie dough freeze. Cookie dough freeze, okay, yeah, that's the name of it. It's really good. I am mad that they gave me this big old straw though. I guess it was for me to be able to suck up the cookie dough because they do have cookie dough pieces within the coffee. So it is really tasty. But, I played this with my kids. This is Uno No Mercy. And I played this with my kids and they kicked me out the game. So now I need a rematch. Yeah. But anywho, let me get to vacuuming. And I guess I'll let you guys watch me do a little bit of cleaning. Hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to get up and get things done if you need to get anything done. I don't really have a whole lot to do, but I do still have stuff that I need to do. And I would like to get this done so that I can get my week started on a fresh start, basically. So yeah, let's get to it. finna die. I got these mop shoes from Amazon. Go get you some. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I have finally finished cleaning up. My battery had died, so I couldn't complete the Saturday reset with you guys, or the cleaning inspiration anyway. So I had to let my battery charge up some. So now I'm to the cooking parts. I am getting ready to start cooking, and y'all, I was laying in bed. Excuse me, I needed my Red Bull. But I was laying in bed and pull this light over. I was laying in bed one night watching Chef Gordon Ramsay. He has I guess, I don't know the name of the channel, Taste Menus. I'm not for sure. It's on YouTube TV. So, but he had a ultimate, I think it's called the Ultimate Cooking Class or something like that. Whatever. I'll have to find the name of it and then let you guys know. But he made this sausage and rice dish that I wanted to try out today because it was a super quick meal. It is Saturday, so I wanted something super quick to feed my family without having to go eat out and spend money on that. And this is a very budget friendly meal. The sausages itself cost me like $5. Of course, I already had rice at home, so yeah, all I needed was the sausage. And I'm using some mild Italian sausage that I got from HEB. So yeah, it contains the sausage, rice. I have bell pepper, tomato, and garlic. And then some white wine, which I have over on my wine rack. So I didn't even need to purchase any wine. So white wine, chicken broth, the garlic, the bell pepper, tomato, the sausage, the rice. And that's it. Yeah. A whole meal. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cooking. And this isn't a tutorial video. This is just more of cook with me in the kitchen on a Saturday. I guess you guys spent the whole Saturday with me because we went out earlier today. We went to the park earlier. You guys saw me feed the ducks. So yeah, this will be a spend the day with me, which I did not have a whole lot going on. So yeah, let's get cooking. Cheers.